To family, let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 8 to the power a multiplied by 8 to the power a. This is equal to 200. Now, what is the value of a from what we have here? Now, we find that this exponential equation is in the form of 8 to the power n multiplied by 8 to the power m, which we can express as 8 to the power n plus m. Okay, let's apply this property so that we'll have 8 to the power a plus a. This is equal to 200. Okay, so this is the same thing as 8 raised to the power 2a. This is equal to 200. Okay, so from what we have here, to solve for the value of a, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides as log 8 to the power 2a. This is equal to log 200. Okay, so now log 8 to the power 2a, this is actually in the form of log m to the power n, which we can express as n log m. Okay, now applying this power rule property of logarithms, you're going to have 2a log 8. This is equal to log 200. Now let's divide both sides by log 8 by log 8, so that we'll have 2a. This is equal to log 200 divided by log 8. Okay, so let's proceed. We have 2a is equal to log 200 divided by log 8. We can express 200 as 40 multiplied by 5. Now, if you say 40 multiplied by 5, this is the same thing as 200, which you can also express as 8 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay? At the same time, we can express this as 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power 3. Okay? Now, if you say 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, this is the same thing as 200. Now, let's substitute this to the equation. We'll have 2a. This is equal to log. This is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 2. Divide this by log 8. 8, this is 2 to the power 3. So, divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now, from what you have here, log 2 to the power 3 multiplied by log, that is 5 to the power 2. This is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which can be expressed as log a plus log b. Okay, now applying this property, we'll have 2a. This is equal to log 2 to the power 3 divided by log 2 to the power 3 plus log 5 to the power 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3. Now, applying the power rule here, log 2 to the power 3 becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 3 again becomes 3 log 2 plus, now log 5 to the power 2, applying the power rule, this becomes 2 log 5 divided by 3 log 2. Now let's simplify this. If we simplify here, we'll have 2a is equal to 1 plus, this is 2 over 3 log 5 divided by log 2. Now let's proceed. We have 2a is equal to 3 log 2 divided by log 2. Let's simplify this. Let's simplify here. So this is 2a. This is equal to 1 plus. Now we have 2 over 3. Okay. Now we have log 5 divided by log 2. And this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Okay. Now applying this property, this is the same thing as log 5 to base 2. So if we divide both sides by 2, let's divide both sides by 2, so that the value of a is equal to half plus, that is 2 divided by 6 log 5 to base 2. Okay, we can simplify this further, and a is equal to half plus, now if you simplify here, this is the same thing as a third log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of a. Let's verify that this value of a actually satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that the value of a, which is half plus a third log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. Okay, so if you recall, we end that 8 to power a multiplied by 8 to power a, this is equal to 200. Okay, so we simplify this further to 8 to power a plus a, which is equal to 200. So that means that this is 8 to power 2a, which is equal to 200. Okay, now we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. Okay, so this is the same thing as 2 to power 3 raised to power 2a. This should give us a value of 200. Okay, so that means that this is 2, 3 times 2, this is 6a. This should give us a value of 200. Let's check this. So substituting the value of a, we'll have 2 to power 6. The value of a, that is a half plus a third log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Okay, so let's simplify this further. So that we'll have 2 to power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Okay, so let's proceed. We have 2 to power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Okay, now 2 raised to power 3 plus 2 log 5 to base 2. This is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which can be expressed as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. Now this is 2 to power 3 multiplied by 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 200. Okay, now 2 to power 3, this is the same thing as 8. Okay, so we have 8 multiplied by, now this is 2 to power 2 log 5 to base 2. We can express this as 2 to power log 5 to power 2 to base 2. Okay, this should give us a value of 200. Okay, as you can see, 2 raised to power log 5 to power 2 to base 2. This is actually in the form of m log a to base m, which is equal to a. Now that means that 2 to power log 5 to power 2 to base 2, this is the same thing as 5 to power 2. Okay, now we have 8 multiplied by 5 to power 2. This should give us a value of 200. Okay, so this is 8 multiplied by 5 squared, this is 25, and it's true 8 times 25, this is 200, which is equal to 200. Okay, and that affirms that the value of a, which is equal to a half plus a third log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So follow the steps, kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.